Hello children, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and stay home to be safe. Don't go away. Today we will continue with class 3rd mathematics. So our today's topic is give and take. Give means to add something and take away means to subtract something. Suppose I have 13 pencils and my friends gave me 4 more. So how many pencils I have now? To find out the total number of pencils, I have to add the numbers. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. Now suppose I have 10 toffees and I take away 5 toffees and give it to my daughter. So how many toffees I have left with? So in this case I have to subtract the number, that is 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. So we can add when someone give something to us, and we can subtract when someone takes something from us. Look at this picture. There are so many kites of different colors are flying in the sky because there is a kite flying competition in the school on the occasion of 15th August. Can you find out how many kites are flying in the sky? Let's count the kite. Yes, you are right. There are 17 kites flying in the sky. Now give a look at this picture. We have to count the red and yellow kites separately. Find out how many red and how many yellow kites are there in this picture. Have you counted red and yellow kites? If you counted 9 red kites and 7 yellow kites, then your answer will be correct. Now to find out the total number of kites, we have to add 9 and 7. So the total kites will be 16. Yes, your answer is correct. Children, what do you observe in this picture? Yes, this is a picture of pond and there are large number of fishes in the pond. Most of the children love fishes. Do you love fishes? Can you count the total number of fishes in the pond? Yes, you are right. There are 16 fishes in the pond. Now you have seen that there were 16 fishes in the pond. Now 16 more fishes come from another pond. Now to find out the total number of fishes in the pond, we have to add the numbers. As you have seen that there are 16 fishes earlier in the pond and 16 more fishes come from another pond. So we have to add 16 plus 16. 16 we have there 1 10 in 16 and 6 ones, and in another 16 we have 1 10 and 6 ones. So to add this, we have seen that there are 12 ones. So 1 10 is shifted to the tens category and we get 3 tens and 2 ones. So the total number will be 32. Give a look at this picture. There are so many trees in the garden. Some are big and some are small. Now you have to count the total number of big trees and total number of small trees. Now count the total number of trees in this picture. Yes, you are right. There are 17 trees. Yes, you are right. There are 17 trees. But due to heavy rainfall, 5 trees fell down. So, to find out how many trees are left, what can we do? Yes, we have to subtract the numbers. That is 17 minus 5, which is equals to 12. Now, give a look at this picture. Bunny and his friend Sunny love balloons. They are playing with balloons. Give a look at this picture. Sunny and Bunny are holding some balloons. You have to find out the total number of balloons they have. So, they have 9 balloons in total. Since they had 9 balloons, but 3 of them flew away. Now, how many balloons are left? So to find out the left balloons, we have to subtract them. So, they have 6 balloons left. Now, what do you observe in this picture? There are so many stars in the sky at night. So, let us count the total number of stars. Now, in this picture, you have seen that there are some brighter stars and some faded stars. So, count the brighter stars and faded stars. We have 7 brighter stars and 9 faded stars. As we have counted, there are 7 brighter stars and 9 faded stars. So, to find out the total number of stars, we have to add the numbers. So, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Now, in this picture, there is a girl with his colored pencils. She loves drawing very much and her name is Amy. Amy loves drawing. She has ₹25. She bought the color for ₹13. Now we have to find the money left with Amy. As we seen that Amy has ₹25 and she bought colors for ₹13. So to find the money left, we have to subtract 13 from 25. Look from the picture that in 25 we have 2 tens and 5 ones, and in 13 we have 1 ten and 3 ones. Now first of all subtract 3 ones of 13 from 5 ones of 25. We have left with 2 ones. And after that we have to subtract 1 10 of 13 from 2 tens of 25. We get 1 10. So the number will be 12. So Amy left with 12 rupees. Thank you, and do some more practice of addition and subtraction. Hope enjoyed this video.